What's up, world? I'm Darren Lamar, and today we are going to be doing a pellet grill cook-off. So I have the Pit Boss Tailgater versus the Traeger Renegade Elite. So I'm going to be smoking some St. Louis style ribs. I'll be putting one rack on the Pit Boss Tailgater and one rack on the Renegade Elite. I'll see how they go. Also, I have some stuffed chicken here. Hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of good stuff in there. Stacy actually put that together. She's on her keto diet. But let's get to these ribs. Basic pork rub together for these ribs. And so let's get the seasoning. Let's get these ribs dried off. Okay, so these are our St. Louis style ribs. Okay, so we got the mustard on there. Now it's time to sprinkle this seasoning.
They put so many on it.
Come on, if you put your toys all up in the bucket, I'll take you.
Alright, so the grills are ready. Let me set this one up. I'm gonna turn it to smoke. Alright, so I got both grills heating up here. The Pit Boss is reading almost 250 right on the nose. Traeger, let's see. Traeger's blinking 250, so we are ready to put the ribs on. So I'll be putting 2 racks on the Traeger Renegade Elite and 1 rack of St. Louis style ribs on the Pit Boss Tailgater. Reading 250 on the this is what I don't get about the Traeger. It's not reading anything. 311. Who knows? Rack number 2. So we also have these stuffed chickens that we're gonna put in. We're gonna put a few on the Pit Boss Tailgater and the rest on the Traeger Renegade Elite. So here's the Pit Boss Tailgater. Here's a couple things I like about it. First is the prime button. So it has 2 meat probes right here. So if you're doing long cook, you can stick those in there and you can see the internal temperatures of your meat without having to open the lid, which is a huge bonus. Just the overall dial in the face of the Pit Boss. It's a whole lot cleaner, a lot smoother. You can read it. Telling you the actual temps. I'll show you guys. In the way the knobs move, I mean, it's a distinct click when you move those knobs. I'm not sure if my Traeger is just, I got an off one, but my dial kind of just feels really flimsy. And the reading on it is just everywhere, so I'm not really sure what's going on. Alright, in case you're wondering, I'm using the Traeger pellets for this to cook. I'm using apple pellets, so it should give it a nice light smoke. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes. As you can see, the temp thermometer on the about 250. Look at that. 250 right on the dot. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I got some helpers with me.
Yep. Yes.
Got some helpers with me. Helper number 1, helper number 2, come here.
Help.
Alright. So I don't have a spritzer, so what I'm gonna do is rub this on the house. I'm gonna rub that spritz on there. I don't want the spritzer to last that shit. You can see the ribs in the back. So I'm just gonna grab this on there. too sure what's going on with the Treager, but the diode from the beginning I see them running, but the Pit Boss is holding up. Alright, so they are off. But they have a nice pullback. See the bone there. Okay, so the baby can't wait to eat, so we're gonna cut into these.
I like it.
There's the bone. Not that. Into it. Nice and juicy. Nice and juicy.
You want some?
And the little baby can't wait to eat, so we are going to eat these juicy ribs. They're super hot right now. Get me that. Woo, hot. Girl, you hot. Your other two that I finished on the Traeger. Alright, so this is the St. Louis style ribs. First smoke on the Pit Boss Elite. Nice juices going. Nice smoke ring. So we're ready to bite into them. Very good. A lot of smoke. The baby wants some, so we gotta give the baby some.
Awesome.
Kinda hot. Baby likes them. I like them. So you guys make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of these ribs. All those juices.